Cameraman here, folks. We're getting on the cool bus, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty, open up. Whoa, whoa, looks like Stuntman's got himself a new gig. Woo! Now take me to school.
Get in the back,
Oh, look at this, folks. Got my breakfast on the bus. Oh, what? Hey,
sit your ass down, little Johnny!
Shut up, bus driver!
Oh, you're so man.
Wow, folks, let's check it out. Oh! Look at it. Wow, this is the kind of school bus I like, folks. Got SpongeBob, got the princesses.
Get over here!
Wow.
My new bosses at the bus company, they told me safety first.
All right.
So you know what that means for me?
Oh.
Get off of my bus, you son of a bitch!
Ow. Man, I'm getting kicked off the bus.
What I'm gonna do, get over here. Requires safety.
This guy's so safe.
What do you think, those things are easy to set up?
Now, what do we have here?
Well, first of all,
man,
there's something I need to say.
What?
For you real neutral droppers that watch everything on the channel, you probably saw what my brother posted about that restaurant in Uptown Manhattan.
Ooh,
I eat at Peter Luger's. I eat at steakhouses. I go to Manhattan. I go to nice seafood places. I do not eat cocks. Okay?
Go to Instagram, you see
Go
what
to
I'm talking
Instagram. I don't eat cocks. I eat Peter Luger's. To get that straight.
Wow, we got the
Now, get
cool
over.
bus, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on? What kind of motor do we have in this cool bus?
This is an 08. It's got the 5.4. Anyone who knows these motors, they know it's the variable timing, 3-valve motor. Very problematic design unless you put those stoppers in there to avoid the variable timing.
The cam phases.
The cam phases to get them to stop working. I haven't been around in a while. We brought you the cool bus, and I'm going to show you. If you all haven't unsubscribed by now, I'm going to show you how cool a cool bus can be.
All right, ladies and
And if
gentlemen.
anybody makes comments on the face, and if you're nice, we'll tell you what happened.
Oh, we'll tell you after the fact, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, Southpaw going on. Woo! All right, you're embarrassing yourself. All right, hope you're not fighting any third graders anytime soon.
Funny.
Hold on, open it up. What you got, Stuntman? Ladies and gentlemen, the cool bus in full effect. Look at those pizza toppings, Madone. Incredible.
Let me tell you something. There's nothing like dually pizza toppings.
Nothing like
I'll tell you that right now.
Man, this stuff burns your throat. I tell you what, I'd say, Gino, tell your bus driver to do this, but I know he's going to school in the back of an Escalade, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. It's a thing of beauty. Folks, you don't even get to see that in Hawaii by a volcano. You just don't. Wow.
And for any of those people that don't think we're safe, I put the triangles up.
Folks, Now, during the testing phase, hold on, I love when this happens, watch. You get like a smoke, like a genie effect. During the testing phase, folks, we had posse. We definitely had posse during the testing phase. This time we didn't. But ladies and gentlemen,
I swear to the Lord Jesus Christ, we had posse.
Oh, we did. I was on the wrong side of the burnout in the beginning, folks. But I tell you, man, this is some brutal stuff. We're good. We're good.
Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Yeah, keep it moving, folks. Wow.
It's gonna rain on my parade. I don't think so.
Not at all. Especially with this new job you just got. They're gonna love this. They don't know you have this skill. You understand? They don't know. And when you bring it back and it says Cool Bus on it, they're gonna know who's cool.
If my career here on Neutral Drop fails, I can guarantee I ain't getting a job at a school bus company. That's for sure.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that's going to be...
I'm very sensitive to children, and I like kids and all.
They're all good kids.
I'm very safe at driving school buses and all that. They'd be like, get out of my office.
Get out. Oh, my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to see if we
can...
can...
Here.
It's still
smoldering.
This is the beauty.
That's dually rubber. Watch yourself.
Oh, you know what?
Let me tell you something. In my teen years, sometimes I had to use dual rubbers.
I want to see the dually burnout. Back it up. Put a nice rubber coating on my lungs, folks, you know? Where do you get to see it? Neutral drop, that's where, folks. Wow.
And you know what? Come here. Let me just try an innocent neutral drop.
Whoa, whoa, my truck.
I know.
Innocent neutral drop. It's neutral drop sensitive.
Yeah, this is when Ford smartened up and they put that little thing in a computer where you can't neutral drop.
And you know what? You can't even do a no mercy reversey with it either.
No, I tried 50 miles an hour. I did a little testing too, like 3 times. I threw it in reverse and it tried to stall out on me. And then I realized that they put that computer thing in. It's no mercy reversey, anti-neutral drop. And honestly, that's when Ford started going downhill.
But I tell you, you're still smoking. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, like, comment, subscribe. We are out.